Hey YouTube, it's Audrey, and I'm here to share with you my latest project for the design team of the Cutting Cafe. This week we had two files that we could choose from. One is the Christmas word shape cards, which are shaker cards, and then the other one is the Christmas shaker cards. Um, Both of them come with several different pieces in the file and several different shapes. I chose to use the present from the Christmas shaker cards, and there are several different shapes that you could use. There's a snowman, there's a bell. Um, right now, I can't think of the rest of them, but I think it's like six or seven that are in the file that you could choose from. So I know there's a mitten also. I just remembered that one. So check the file out. I'll have the links below. And as always, make sure that you head over to the blog. We post design team projects on the 7th and the 21st of every month. And then if you leave a comment when you're there, then you are eligible to win 3 free files because Regina always picks a name from the comments that were left on the previous post, and that random winner gets the free files. So, besides that, we always love to to read your comments. So, please visit the blog, and I'll have a link below to that also. So, anyway, without further ado, I decided to do a project to show you that you could do multiple things with the same file. So first, because we are in December Christmas mode, I made the present shaped shaker card, and I used a silver glitter paper and red glitter tape. I brought out the glitter tape, haven't used it in a while, so I thought it would be perfect for this present. But as you can see, as I try to move this, there are little holographic glitter pieces in there that I have used some Martha Stewart holographic glitter pieces, and they're actually hexagon shaped. Not sure if you can really see that or not, but they are hexagon shaped. And I have a piece of acetate here that I have made from old packaging, and it's put on with foam tape. And there is a good tutorial on how to do this on the blog, on the website. And then also each in the file there is a printed direction on how to do it. But as you can see, I used a white and silver paper that has ornaments on it in the background. It's like striped, and then the polka dots. So, but I put lots of glitter in there. Sorry, making you guys dizzy. But just wanted to kind of show you that it is a shaker card. Although a lot of my glitter seems to be sticking to the acetate. But I think you could solve that if you use a dryer sheet. If you wipe a dryer sheet on it before you do it, it shouldn't stick at least as much. Or if you use something like seed beads or something like that, then they won't stick either. Well, anyway, I used a flower from the Michael's Dollar Bin packages and stuck a large piece of clear bling on it. And then when I open it up, I just took that piece of silver glitter frame that actually was the cutout from the center of the frame here, and put it on there, and then layered it with a white piece and stamped it with a dark red ink, wishing you a sparkling holiday. And that stamp is from a Hero Art stamp that I got, I believe, the year before last. So there is the present, and that is my Christmas version. But just wanted to show you that just because it's a Christmas file does not mean you can't use it for something else. So I made a second one. And this one is a birthday card. And I use some paper that just says happy all kind of different ways. I made the bow a little bit smaller because I really wanted you to see the happy through the acetate there. And so the bow was made smaller. I took a printable stamp set piece from the birthday Hershey Kiss Bottoms, which is also a Cutting Cafe file. And then I punched that out with a scallop punch. And in this one, the shakers are little star glitters. And I will try and move it a little bit easier for you guys. But as you can see, the glitter is in there moving. So there is stuff in there. Sorry. You're probably like, what is she doing? But sorry about that. I just was trying to demonstrate the fact that there is stuff in there to make the card a shaker card. And again, I have the acetate, and it is done with foam tape. Just a thinner foam tape. Just I gave enough room just for the glitter to be able to move around. And then on the inside, I used on the left this time a piece of the happy paper, and then a stamp that says hope your birthday is the beginning of a year full of happiness. So even though it is a Christmas file, in this case, you can use it in different ways. Same thing with some of the others. The bell can be used for Christmas, or the bell can be used for like a wedding. The snowman, of course, can be a Christmas thing, or it could be a winter thing. So just check out the file and, use your imagination. I resized it also for the birthday card. The Christmas version is the size that the file opens in, but of course, if you have a electronic cutting machine like the Cameo that you have a software for, then you can resize it. So I did the opposite with sizing the bow, having the bow larger here, having it smaller here, because here is focused more on the Christmas present, not necessarily the paper in the background. And on this one, I wanted the paper in the background to be more of a focus. So anyway, make sure you head on over to the Cutting Cafe, check out the blog, leave a comment, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great and very blessed day. Bye-bye.